ngiyothenga for 10 million ngiyikhokhela imali yakhona phelele 10 million imali yami sengixakwa ileli dladla kusedladleni lapho leli dladla because she's involved ayikho into yake yalunga emhlabeni ukhona uDolomba pha angazi nebhadi noma wachathwa ngesichitho lo ngisaba ngisho ungena ebusinessini naye yonke into anayo fana ungabona abantu bamthiwa kanjani ama Facebook lo hey angithi iyo lento engikhuluma yokuchaga amadoda awusethi ama-Kaizer Chiefs lonke usechaga amadoda kade kufika abafuthi hey akathi kumanga ngathi awukanti niyabona ay mina bengingafuni ukukhuluma ungoma sekhuluma nini she's out there without permission my permission la mntwana ngosi mangumfati wendoda uyacela angicela ukuyekuthini at least let your husband know ukuthi ngiyekuthini mase sekubona nje ukhanga nje angazi lesifebe besiyaphi bamthanda the Zulus are not happy with her
fanele kube nelibandla labo make leliya labo
yebo
bondlunkulu libafundzise sibondlunkulu ba behave njani
la lapha ekhaya kodwa yazi ukuthina amabandla njalo engathi bathola le inkonzweni koShembe maye mina noShembe mina uShembe kimi uyabona uShembe unyali isilima manje hey ngiyakwashembe uyabona nje kunendoda emshelayo ukuthi uMasango lo uyazi uphi hey ngicela kuye esontweni ngathi ufuna ukumkhwela lesontweni lalela ngomdedela inja ayihambi inja iyokhwela esontweni wathini ngiyophuma ngiyoflathela ngiyodungama lo akangazi noma ngabe unomuntu onjani wangapha ngishane engane ayingazi ngiyinkosi how did I become a king ngoba ngumthakathi
ayizidishile
ucabanga ukuthi wonke lamadoda angaka eSouth Africa onke afuna ukuba izilo
ayizidishile
ungalwa nami wena hey wekholo lenjaleni usek ngicela ngicela endini yami nginentombi yami lapha uncane endini anginqenge ngcuza yakhe mina fa ngayidelela umdolomba ngimthi imali wazi uthini ngiyagcina uzombona uhluphe kanjani umfazi ngimfuna aphumile futhi la endini yami la hamba emachobeni I don't buza stupid question la uduka ngikwalo lale wazi wenzeni lengane le kumanje kunento ayakhaya la wazi induna ziyangibu ufike induna lapho bathi yini enziwa umntwana sizula akhela yena emzini kaba yini ekhaya wena wothatha lezi iqini zakho kubuye nazo emachobeni ngakubeka emachobeni nomsuno kanye omsuno wensha futhi ngijwayela kabi wena awusiwela wakhangela wena akekho umuntu onomfazi la ngijwayela kabi nampelo uhlala ngathi uinnocent kanti uyanuka fuck you usek ufuna uhambile wazi uthini
yona impilo engiyiphilayo sekunemini ke
yema
sekunemini siphila
into enzoyenza
ngithemba ukuthi bengicuphi ubuza into yasuka awuthi ngihambe.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanotshisana and welcome to my channel. Yo, nenzani lapho kwaZulu? Nenzani Zulu yasabeka. So last night, Sihle Mavuso took to social media to share what he described as an exclusive report on an undated video that had allegedly been circulating within Zulu royal circles. The video shows a man who is said to be the Zulu king, King Misuzulu, with a green beer bottle in hand, repeatedly insulting his wife, Queen Nomzamo Myeni, and accusing her of being unfaithful within the Shembe church. In the video, there's also a Swati-speaking lady trying to calm the king down. Someone on social media posted a picture of the beer saying, "Ngabe uvubelwe ngani?" Indeed, what is in that beer that made the king to go wild like that? Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.